stuff video. Today I have the most boxes I ever received in a given week, and that's 13 items. Wow, look at this huge box right here. So let's go ahead and start out with the biggest box first this time. What is this? Oh my goodness, racer style gaming chair. I think this is my third gaming chair that I'm gonna be assembling and put together. Wow, I'm very excited about this. I had to carry this up a whole flight of stairs, and it wasn't light. It's quite heavy. All right, let's go ahead and just start from the top. Can this be? Oh my goodness. Computer speakers. I think this even has LED colors. Look how cool this is. It reminds me of like the Alienware design. It's gonna be beautiful. It's gonna go perfect with the gaming chair. I'm so happy. What's this small box right here? What can it be? Could it be a wallet? I'm gonna tell you, but how do you guys like this ASMR style box? Hit me up in the comment section. Solar lights. Oh, what is this? No more darkness at night. Solar light. I don't know what this is about. How's everybody enjoying this summer? It's still pretty lame here in Seattle. I think we got like one day where it's almost 90 degrees. I could definitely use some more warmer weather. So it's just sunny weather. Oh, here, look at this. Tim Tugboat. What's this? On knee sleeve. I think it's a pair knee sleeve. Yes, one pair. Wow, and it's in this beautiful color, red color. Whoa, almost cut myself. Oh, wow. Look at this. It's a portable air cooler fan. Perfect for the warmer weather. Look at this. Yes. Actually, I'm feeling kind of warm in here. It feels like it's about 80 degrees in there. Oh, what is this? Oh, smart plant growth machine. What exactly is a smart plant growth machine? Oh, I get it. It's one of these hydroponic growing machines. Yes, I'm excited. What can I do? Maybe I'll grow some fruits and vegetables indoors. Okay, let me put it on this side right here. Too much stuff. Here's a flat box right here. At first, I thought this was like a transformer. Another mini chainsaw. Okay, that's cool. Mini chainsaw. This box right here. Oh wait, this is side up. I think Amazon Prime Day is coming up. Do you guys have any purchases you guys are planning on buying? Oh, perfect timing, because my soap dispenser actually just broke, so it's perfect timing. I definitely need this. fishing survival. Wow. Oh, just check this out. It's all in one. Look at this. Yes. That's gonna be exciting outdoor review. 3 more boxes to go. Yo, what is this? Oh. Under sink organizer. You probably don't even need to look at that. It's basically organizer for to organize under the sink so it's not closed. Oh, I think this is a travel laptop backpack. Oh, a core brand. Look at this. Wow, it looks like a pretty big size there. It's quality made. Okay, lastly, one more box. Big box. Another big box. So many boxes. Oh, yes. I've always wanted one of these. Ear none. Foot spa. It's a foot spa massager all in one. Wow, can't wait to use this. So guys, don't forget to stay tuned for these upcoming reviews. I hope you guys are excited as I am on testing these out, especially the gaming chair and the foot massager spa.